24 friends. I have 24 friends.
I have 24 friends.
All right, so let's go.
I have 24 friends.
Okay, friendly.
Friendly. I have JG for friendly.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's go here. Okay, this one, you can say this word at like this. Okay, this one. You can say,
Let's say.
okay, this word. Oh no, that's not two. Okay, I study very well at school.
At very school.
I
I
study
I study
very well
very well
at
in
school. Okay, again, can you say this word school?
school.
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 Study
Study
very
very
well.
very well.
Okay, nice one. Nice one, Kevin. Okay, keep on practicing reading. Okay, so this is our, okay, find the differences. Okay, this one. Okay, let's find the differences. Find the difference.
Uh,
Okay,
Helicopter.
the helicopter.
The helicopter. Which uh with with yellow.
Okay, the helicopter in this picture is
In a
what?
picture,
Okay, the color is?
color is also
What is the color of the picture in this? In this?
yes.
What is the color of the helicopter here? Color?
Red to yellow.
Okay, so we have, okay, we have, okay, the difference is the color of
The
the helicopter
the color
is
is
red and the other picture
yellow. Is
is yellow.
it's yellow.
Okay, differences. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, I will write it for you. The helicopter
The helicopter
is red,
is
while
red, white, yellow.
the other
All the
picture is yellow. Okay, the helicopter
the helicopter
is red,
is red,
while the other picture is
red,
yellow.
yellow.
Okay. Next is what's another? Okay, can you find?
Yes.
Okay, what is the other difference here? What picture? Okay, what can you see in the picture?
Uh, the helicopter is red, white, uh, white to the sky of the
Okay,
flower.
another difference. This one. Okay, find another difference.
I of the
Okay, what is the other? Okay, next picture, next difference.
The helicopter is red, white,
No,
the
no, 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 no. This one is I'm saying. I said that. Okay.
boy, boy, and girl,
All right. Very good. So this one, this one is girl and boy.
and boy.
Okay. Picture.
So,
Okay, can you say that in a sentence?
um, fry and fish.
Is flying the kite while the other picture
So,
is the
is
boy.
a boy.
Okay.
Um,
Next.
Bob, Bob and oat.
Again, what is that?
Bob,
Okay, so what can you see here?
yes.
What is that?
Bob and orchard.
What is that? Please read again.
Hawk and pie.
Again, frog,
Frog,
bird,
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 frog,
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 frog.
frog,
Okay, repeat. Repeat again. Frog.
frog,
frog, frog,
frog,
Again, g. Frog,
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 frog.
frog,
Okay, can you say fa, fa,
frog, frog,
ra,
frog,
o,
frog,
g,
frog,
frog, frog,
frog,
frog.
frog,
Okay, you make it sounds soft. Frog.
frog,
Okay, again, last one. Frog.
frog,
Okay, much better. And this one.
um, a hat,
This one. Please read
hat,
this. Bird, bird, bird. Can you say bird? Bird,
bird, bird,
bird,
bird,
bird.
bird,
Again,
bird,
bird, bird,
bird,
bird.
bird,
The bird.
bird,
Okay, very good for that. Okay, so you said, okay, this one is have a cup and this one is doesn't have a cup. Okay, this one.
bird,
Picture A is have a cup while B is doesn't have a cup. Okay, can you please read again?
Yes. Teacher A have a cup. Why B isn't have a cup?
Doesn't have a cup. Okay, nice one. Okay,
Have a cup.
let's move on. Okay, so this one. So let's go here. Let's read this. I know you are done with this, but I want you to read. So this time is reading and listening. Okay, so the title is,
It's
what is, please read the title.
the title.
Okay, this one is I'm saying.
Xin vui lòng đọc.
Okay, Sin Hong.
Xin vui lòng đọc.
Okay, so this, okay, read the title. Title first.
Title bus.
Bots.
Bus.
Okay, so that is the title. Okay,
Many different kinds of bats live in the jungle. Most
wait. Okay, this one is different.
different
Many different kinds of bats. Your turn.
many
Different.
different kinds of bats
Live in the jungle.
live in the jungle.
Okay, live.
Live
Bats.
bats
Kinds.
guys
Okay, most of them eat fruit or fish. Your
of
turn.
of them is of them is food for all you not often see bats.
This one. Most of them eat fruit or fish. Most of them
Also them in fish
eat
is
fruit
food
or
for
fish.
fish.
Okay, so when you are reading slowly, okay, I want this one. Slowly read.
Hello,
Đọc chậm. Đọc chậm.
Okay, read slowly. Okay, so okay, next. You
Not often see bats.
okay, so this one, what is the answer for that? Okay, that is
Like
again.
in the day.
Okay. You do not see bats during the day. So this one is during the day. Okay, you do not often see bats during in the day. Again,
During in
you,
the
okay, you will start by the word you. You do not often please read.
always fly.
Again, you do not often see bats during in the day they sleep. Your turn.
They sleep. They
I,
sleep.
I,
Always fly at night. To fly. To fly.
okay, so they always fly at night to find their food. Their food.
Their food.
Okay, again, they always fly
Every night.
at night
At night.
to find
To fly
their food.
their food.
Okay, so we will continue this tomorrow, okay? So we will continue this because I hear that some um words is not properly pronounced, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So practice reading and practice the correct pronunciation. Is that okay, Kevin?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for that. Enjoy tonight because it's raining. It's cold outside. Good night. Bye. See you tomorrow.